Are you as excited as me for what's in store at Aldi's next week? Get a sneak peek of the hottest finds, handpicked by yours truly. I've curated a selection of my favorites just for you that I don't want you to miss out on. We have some cute closet organization, some cute meal prep stuff with baking dishes, and the cutest mini popcorn maker and mini cotton candy maker. Okay, look how cute this wax melt. Doesn't that remind you of a little cauldron? That would be cute maybe to put aside for Halloween. Love these other patterns. They are all beautiful. Got some new scents on the wax melt: pumpkin, apple, cinnamon, and vanilla, getting us all ready for the fall. We got some bath hand towels and washcloths in that pretty cream, the gray, and the green. Got these nice luxury cotton bath mats, 20 by 34, 5 different patterns to pick from. It looks super soft. Very cute. Washable also. We've got this quilted queen or king mattress pad. Had to show it. That's an amazing price. This cozy knit throw. Look how cute in the blue leopard print. Love that. This little striped. And then the cream leopard print. And this they're calling purple. We've got the cute little 2-slice toaster in either black or white. Would have loved a couple extra colors, but okay. The mini cotton candy and popcorn maker. Look how cute these are. We have the portable blender in these gorgeous colors. We have black, this really pretty blue, this purple, and the teal. We have the 16-piece food storage set. That's a great one. It has the microwave vents and everything. 3-pack of the divided food storage containers. We've got these really nice baking dishes. Love these. I'm definitely going to get 1 or 2 of these. I love the white. That's so pretty. So 3 different styles to pick from. We've got this, I love this expandable colander. I think I want one. The splatter guard is great also. The silicone prep trays. Look how cool these are. Love those. The small baking pans. So we have them in black, this beige, or the green. The wood chopping blocks, look how beautiful, 2 circles and 2 squares to pick from. The character water bottles, I like to show you each one just in case you want to make sure you go to Aldi and find that specific one. So the Disney Princess, is this Lilo and Stitch? Oh no, that's Lilo and Stitch and Spider-Man, right? We've got this rattan lamp. Isn't that pretty? These faux leather pillows in this brown, the gray, the 2-tone colors, and then the same colors in the smaller, the square ones. We've got this gorgeous woven accent bench. That is really pretty. These fabric storage cubes are pretty cool. I like those. The hanging closet storage organizers in both the cream or the gray. 2 different styles to pick from. We've got the shelf rack with the hooks in black or white. The Vanity Mirror is so pretty with that tray, so black or that gorgeous gold. The drain accessories, how could I not show you each one? The little duck, the flower, the little froggy, And then these are insert chains into your drain place, draining. I don't know. There's something to get the hair out. I don't know. But there they are. They're cute. We got these LED vanity mirrors. They're not huge, but they're decent size. We got the animal spinner stakes. Look how adorable these are. One cuter than the other. Look how cute this pink polka dot plant. They have some other plants too this week, but I had to show you that. The ladies' open toe slippers with the cute expressions on them. Inhale, exhale, not today. I cannot make this one out. Can you? And something in bed. Those last two, I can't make them out. We got the compact hot rollers. Who still uses hot rollers? Oh, look at these blemish dots. Bottom right, that's a plain one. And then this one has these little designs on them. How cute is that? Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you're excited to get this week. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you soon.